Happy evening, friends and my dear students. Today, I would like to explain glad technique to my students. If you want to be joyful, if you want to be happy, if you want to derive pleasure in the life or in your career, you should follow glad technique. Glad itself means joyful. So, what does it mean? Glad technique. Glad, G-L-A-D. G-L-A-D. Glad. What is a glad technique? First letter G indicates grateful. L indicates learn. A indicates accomplishment. D indicates delight. So glad means grateful, learned, accomplishment and delight. Let us see one by one. So my dear children, my dear young students, grateful. You should always be grateful. One thing you are thankful for that is relevant to what your experience today, no matter how small it is. And you should be thankful to the experience you have. However, it may be a small thing. So, when you develop an attitude of gratitude, when you develop an attitude of giving thanks to the fellow human beings or colleagues, that will help you a lot. That will make you joyful. So, always grateful. However small things you may experience, but be grateful. Second one is learn. Learning is a never-ending process. Learning is a never-ending process. You can learn up to your last breath. Socrates learned a music just before his death. When he was in prison, he was knowing that he was going to die within few hours because of his death sentence. He was knowing that he would be given poison. So, but he had forgotten those things, and he asked to make him to learn that a music that was given by a beggar. Look at that. Just before his death also he was learning. Like that, learning is a never-ending process. One fact, skill or something you discovered about yourself or a friend, you learn something. You learn something which is useful to you, however small it may be, however great it may be. At least learn one skill or one fact every day. That should be followed. A. Accomplishment. One accomplishment, one achievement. Anything from something incredibly small to wonderful grand. It may be a small that brings you credit, or it may be a great one that brings you great fame. Whatever it may be, always achieve something, maybe a small one, a larger one, a bigger one. Achieve one thing, at least one thing in a day. So that is accomplishment. One accomplishment, anything from something incredibly small to wonderfully grand. So delight, one thing that touched your heart today. One thing so delightful. One thing that touched your heart. Anything that brought you joy or was pleasing to your senses, at least you get one thing. That is delight. So when you eat a food that you like very well, you might be delightful. And so when you listen a music which you like very much, that gives joy to you. Like that, whatever item it may be, whatever thing it may be, that gives joyful to your senses, that you should practice, that you should get it. So that is delight. So glad means grateful, learned, accomplishment, delight. At least one thing that touched your heart should be there every day. Maybe a music, maybe a food, and maybe the thing which you may watch, all senses. So anything that brings joy to your senses must be there every day, at least one item. So D stands for delight. When coming from D to G, that is in a reverse side, palindrome. So reverse side, D, delight, A, accomplishment, L, learn, G, grateful, gratitude. So G stands for gratitude, L stands for learning, A stands for accomplishment, D stands for delight. So you practice this, you will be joyful, you will derive pleasure in your life, you will be able to achieve your goals, and you will be the most happiest people if you practice this glad technique in your career and later in your life also. And Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.